How to see archived stories on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go to your Facebook application directly and it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now, for iPhones, you can see your options here. On the bottom part, you will see home, friends, watch, marketplace, notifications, and menu. You tap on menu. For Android, I guess it's on your upper right side, right? It's the three dash lines there. Just tap on that and it will lead you to your menu area. Now, after that, what I want you to do next is to go directly scroll all the way down up until you see the settings and privacy. Tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now, here on settings, you will see these different section here. You'll see the preferences, audience and visibility, your activity, your information, and so on and so forth. But I want you to focus here on your activity here and tap on activity log. Now here on activity log on the upper part, you'll see two different options there. You will see archive and trash. Tap on archive there. And here again on the upper part, you'll see two different options. You'll see story archive and trash. So since we want to see archive stories on Facebook, then tap on story archive, and basically you will see all your story that you have posted there. Now you have to make sure so that the Facebook could save your, or so that you can have an archive stories on Facebook, you have to make sure that you have turned on to save your story archive. And basically that is how you see archive stories on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.